四山洞拐至下顺线，广州至常州。
There's a house we can build. Every room inside is filled with things from far away. The special things I compile, each one there to make you smile on a rainy day. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say we've lost our minds. I don't care if they call us crazy. Run away to a world that we design. Every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. Oh, a million dreams for the world we're gonna make. There's a house we can build. Every room inside is filled with things from far away. The special things I compile, each one there to make you smile on a rainy day. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say we've lost our minds. I don't care if they call us crazy. Run away to a world that we design. Every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. Oh, a million dreams for the world we're gonna make.
The history of human civilization is tightly interwoven with progressing connectivity. From not records to written languages, from signals in enclosed turrets to win-win free trade, from post riders to instant communication, we never stop pursuing and redefining connectivity. Taking each step firmly, we extended connectivity into new, untouched areas beyond the known world. What wonders can we see in connectivity today? Communicate with street lamps, interact with vegetables, resurrect dinosaurs and see them up close. Find a way out before despair. In the era when everything is connected, technology brings such imaginations to life. Data communications networks with a super capacity create order out of torrents of data. Data communications networks with intelligent experience replace best effort with SLA guaranteed forwarding. Data communications networks with autonomous driving replace manual intervention on late-night shifts with network autonomy and self-healing. Today, data communications networks bursting with intelligence harness the power of the four engines. Connect people, connect enterprises, connect computing power. Laying a digital foundation for new infrastructure, enabling a digital bridge for all industries. Working behind the scenes, intelligent cloud network ensures shopping is more personalized than ever. Every financial transaction is smoothly made. Valentine's gifts are swiftly delivered via robots. Each question has more and richer answers. Every life receives the respect it deserves, and a new journey can be embarked on fearlessly. Connectivity will never cease to evolve, because no matter where we are, we must connect with our loved ones. And to the road we must take. Connecting value. Connecting hope. Connectivity is limitless. Connectivity knows no bounds.
雨量达到警戒值，高43洞拐次下升线，广州至常州。
Cambiograma que tiene una arritmia leve.
There's a house we can build. Every room inside is filled with things from far away. The special things I compile, each one there to make you smile on a rainy day. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say we've lost our minds. I don't care if they call us crazy. Run away to a world that we design. Every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. Oh, a million dreams for the world we're gonna make.
The history of human civilization is tightly interwoven with progressing connectivity. From knot records to written languages, from signals in enclosed turrets to win-win free trade, from post riders to instant communication. We never stop pursuing and redefining connectivity. Taking each step firmly, we extended connectivity into new, untouched areas beyond the known world. What wonders can we see in connectivity today? Communicate with street lamps, interact with vegetables, resurrect dinosaurs, and see them up close. Find a way out before despair. In the era when everything is connected, technology brings such imaginations to life. Data communications networks with a super capacity create order out of torrents of data. Data communications networks with intelligent experience replace best effort with SLA guaranteed forwarding. Data communications networks with autonomous driving replace manual intervention on late night shifts with network autonomy and self-healing. Today, data communications networks bursting with intelligence harness the power of the four engines. Connect people, connect enterprises, connect computing power. Laying a digital foundation for new infrastructure. Enabling a digital bridge for all industries. Working behind the scenes, intelligent cloud network ensures shopping is more personalized than ever. Every financial transaction is smoothly made. Valentine's gifts are swiftly delivered via robots. Each question has more and richer answers. Every life receives the respect it deserves. And a new journey can be embarked on fearlessly. Connectivity will never cease to evolve, because no matter where we are, we must connect with our loved ones. And to the road we must take. Connecting value. Connecting hope. Connectivity is limitless. Connectivity knows no bounds.
四山洞拐至下升线，广州至常州。
There's a house we can build. Every room inside is filled with things from far away. The special things I compile, each one there to make you smile on a rainy day. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say we've lost our minds. I don't care if they call us crazy. Run away to a world that we design. Every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. Oh, a million dreams for the world we're gonna make.
The history of human civilization is tightly interwoven with progressing connectivity. From not records to written languages, from signals in enclosed turrets to win-win free trade, from post riders to instant communication, we never stop pursuing and redefining connectivity. Taking each step firmly, we extended connectivity into new, untouched areas beyond the known world. What wonders can we see in connectivity today? Communicate with street lamps, interact with vegetables, resurrect dinosaurs and see them up close. Find a way out before despair. In the era when everything is connected, technology brings such imaginations to life. Data communications networks with a super capacity create order out of torrents of data. Data communications networks with intelligent experience replace best effort with SLA guaranteed forwarding. Data communications networks with autonomous driving replace manual intervention on late-night shifts with network autonomy and self-healing. Today, data communications networks bursting with intelligence harness the power of the four engines. Connect people, connect enterprises, connect computing power, laying a digital foundation for new infrastructure, enabling a digital bridge for all industries. Working behind the scenes, intelligent cloud network ensures shopping is more personalized than ever. Every financial transaction is smoothly made. Valentine's gifts are swiftly delivered via robots. Each question has more and richer answers. Every life receives the respect it deserves, and a new journey can be embarked on fearlessly. Connectivity will never cease to evolve, because no matter where we are, we must connect with our loved ones. And to the road we must take. Connecting value. Connecting hope. Connectivity is limitless. Connectivity knows no bounds.
Hello, and welcome to our Intelligent Cloud Network Accelerating Industry Digital Transformation session at Huawei Connect 2021. In today's world, digital transformation has become a strategic focus of more countries, and industries are ramping up their digital transformation. The next step for industries to advance digital transformation is cloud. For this, enterprises must build a high-quality path to the cloud to access endless computing power and intelligence. In today's session, we will explore how Huawei leverages intelligent cloud network architecture to help customers in industries such as government, finance, and education achieve cloud network synergy and unleash the full potential of data elements. First of all, let's invite Alex Sun, Vice President of Huawei's Data Communication product line, to share insight into the latest concepts and architecture of Huawei Intelligent Cloud Network. Let's welcome.
Hello everyone, welcome to Huawei Connect 2021. I'm Alex Sun from Huawei Data Communication product line. It's my honor to be here, and my topic is Intelligent Cloud Network, Accelerating Industry Digital Transformation. And in this topic, I'll share the latest concept and architecture of Huawei Intelligent Cloud Network solution. First of all, I would like to thank all the customers and partners. Your support has been invaluable to us. In 2020, we won more than 900 new customers in different industries, such as government, finance, energy, transportation, and education. And currently, 267 of Fortune Global 500 companies have selected Huawei as their strategic partner for digital transformation. And we know nowadays more countries and regions pay close attention to digital development, and currently more than 50 countries around the world have adopted digital development as a national strategy for the near future. For example, the European Union already released its 2030 Digital Campus program in March this year. And this program covers 11 digital technology, including 5G, telemedicine, chips, and AI. And it will help the EU to enhance its global influence through continuous digital innovation. Likewise, the Chinese government also drew a detailed blueprint for China's digital development from three aspects: digital society, digital economy, and digital government. And on the vast Africa continent, the African Union has also proposed its own plan for Smart Africa. In this plan covers digital village, digital education, and so on, and people will benefit from new digital technology. In the process of digital transformation, we believe that cloudification is the only way to go. According to IDC statistics, 80% of the enterprise will accelerate their cloudification by the end of this year, and multi-cloud access already becomes a preferred choice. In addition, IDC predicts that by the end of 2023, 90% of applications will be developed based on the cloud and provide cloud service to industry and individuals. As cloudification keeps accelerating, the entire industry has agreed that the cloud is the core and the network is the foundation. Looking back to the second industrial revolution, we all know that electricity was the key driving force. At that time, the power grids supplied electricity to each industry, which greatly improved the production efficiency of enterprise. Now we come to the fourth industrial revolution, where the data is the key driving force for digitalization. In this era, cloud network supply computing power to every industry and creates new digital momentum. And this once again brings a great leap forward of enterprise production efficiency. However, cloud network face four major challenges. First, cloud service can be deployed in minutes, but the network provisioning takes months. This fast cloud but slow network situation severely affects the agility of cloud service. Secondly, as production systems move to the cloud, there are new challenges for deterministic network experience. For example, at Shenzhen Bao'an International Airport in 2019, one flight took off or landed in just less than 1 minute on average at peak hours. So such high frequency and such important service require real-time and stable network assurance. Certainly, the scope of the network is expanding and puts a huge strain on traditional manual O&M modes. Last but not least, the expanding connection scope also means the expanding security protection boundary. So improving security protection is the fourth challenge faced by the cloud network. Huawei truly understands customer requirements and focus on technology innovations. We launched Intelligent Cloud Network Solution. This solution helps to supply computing power and intelligence to different industries, unleashing the full potential of data elements and giving new power to industry digital transformation. Huawei's Intelligent Cloud Network Solution has three unique characteristics. The first one is digital. The network status is detected in a digital way and build a digital twin for the physical network. After cloud-based modeling, the entire network can be centrally managed from the cloud, and its status can be visualized in real time. The second is intelligent. After the network is digitalized, intelligence is introduced. In this way, network and cloud resources can be automated, scheduled, and network O&M becomes more efficient than ever, greatly improving troubleshooting efficiency. And in addition, security protection becomes intelligent, enhancing security protection capabilities. The third is service-oriented. On the basis of digital and intelligent features, our ultimate goal is to achieve one-click subscription of network service to match the agility of the cloud. Openness and programmability and cloud network security integration facilitate flexible interconnection with cloud service. With these three unique features in mind, Huawei has developed an end-to-end intelligent cloud network solution. So this solution consists of four major parts. The first part is our Cloud Campus 3.0. Key features of Cloud Campus 3.0 include fully wireless access, one global network, fully cloud management, and intelligent O&M. Cloud Campus 3.0 achieves data sensing and interaction in any scenarios, and extends from traditional CT network to OT network. The second part is our Cloud One 3.0, real-time status visualization, intelligent resources scheduling, and one-click service subscription are key features of Cloud One 3.0. So this enables high-quality WAN connections for enterprises service. The third part is our Cloud Fabric 3.0, which is a hyper-converged data center network solution. Cloud Fabric 3.0 drives data center network into all Ethernet era, and it can provide level 3.5 autonomous driving network. And with Cloud Fabric 3.0, just one network, you can have IB for HPC, FC for storage, and general computing power together. And this greatly protects your investment. The last part is our HiSec 3.0. It can implement intelligent analysis, dynamic detection, and global protection, ensuring end-to-end security. Okay, I have shown you a full picture of Huawei Intelligent Cloud Network Solution. Huawei offers innovation solutions built on its 4-engine series products. Huawei works closely with our customers and partners to explore the best practice, and in this way, Huawei has become a trusted partner who can provide tailor-made network solutions for different customers in the process of digital transformation. That's all for my presentation. Thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoy the event. Thank you.
Thanks, Mr. Alex Sun. Next, let's invite Mr. Shun Rui, Senior Technical Expert for Digital Government at Huawei, to give a speech about how e-government cloud network drives digital transformation of governments worldwide.
Hello everyone, I'm Shen Rui from Huawei Data Communication Product Line. I'm glad to bring you a presentation about the e-government cloud network, creating a new connectivity foundation for digital governments. Digital government transformation is the global trend. First, according to the 2020 United Nations e-government survey, 145 of the 193 UN member states have CIO or similar positions, and digital government construction becomes a strategic initiative for the countries. Second, active e-government development promotes the construction of service-oriented governments, improves public service delivery, and drives the sustainable development of economy and society. Third, countries worldwide have launched a strategy and plan to accelerate digital government transformation. Network connections are key to global digital transformation. First, let's take a look at the global network that are not connected. The connectivity index of the developed countries reaches 70%. Other regions have great potential and space for growth. And 750 million people in rural areas around the world have no network coverage. They need to bridge the digital divide. Second, in developed countries and regions, there is still a network coverage gap, about 10% between cities and rural area. For rural area, network construction target is to build a new rural area based on network connections. Third, the e-government network endlessly supplying computing power on the cloud to all the things for governments, enterprises, and citizens. There are three challenges of a government network. First, inconsistent network construction standards. Private networks are repeatedly constructed, but data is not shared. IPv4 protocol networks are constructed, but IPv6 evolution capabilities are not enough. Second, no network operation and maintenance efficiency. Manual operation and maintenance takes days to find faults, and network security protection capabilities are unbalanced. Third, difficult security protection. Private enterprise and are fabricated, and the security monitoring and source tracing is difficult. And unbalanced security protection at different levels like provincial, municipal, district, county, and town levels. Fourth, changes. A government network evolution needs three key features. First is digital, to provide a data-driven model, centralized cloud management, and real-time status visualization. Second is intelligent, such as intelligent resource gathering, network fault self-healing, and intelligent security protection. Third is service-oriented, such as one-click service subscription, network openness and programmability, and the cloud network security integration. With the three key features, we provide an e-government cloud network, creating a new connectivity function for digital governments. And it supports IPv6 plus end-to-end, including e-government cloud network, e-government network, e-government campus network, and e-government network security. It serves services such as public service, social management, and collaborative office. For upward extension, e-government cloud networks for hyper-converged data center, unleashing 100% of computing power. cloud network integration, flexible multi-cloud interconnection for downward expansion. The e-government campus network provides the convenient Wi-Fi 6 access, ultra-broadband connectivity, smooth experience, and optimal e-government office services. For horizontal integration, the e-government network, one network with multiple planes for unified transport of various services. One hub cloud access service rolled out with minutes for security everywhere. E-government network security provide intelligent analytics, model self-evolution, cloud network security collaboration, and proactive defense. For e-government cloud network, intensively constructing a super cloud and adopting an intelligent cloud map algorithm to enable multi-cloud collaboration and offer inclusive computing power. For HR cloud, 3 network integration, or Ethernet Bear provide a unified architecture for storage, HPC, and general purpose computing networks. On lossless Ethernet, unleashing 100% of computing power. For inter-cloud, cloud network integration, intelligent resource scheduling provide a cloud map algorithm for intelligent scheduling, increasing resource utilization by 30%, and service bandwidth and latency optimization, ensuring user experience. For e-government campus network, aimed at mobile office trend, Wi-Fi 6 offers ultra-broadband access and delivers the optimal e-government office experience, provides mobile office, video conferencing, and electronic whiteboard services in government buildings, service halls, and other scenarios. The added advantage is first, convenient access, fully wireless continuous networking, coverage without blind spots. The second, ultra-broadband connection, 300 Mbps per second anytime, anywhere. Gbps level for single user performance. The third, smooth experience, one-time authentication, multiple access, and interruption-free roaming handover. For e-government network, the SRv6-based one-hub cloud access accelerates service rollout and improves e-government service experience. In the past, cloud configuration in minutes, network provision in days, fast cloud but slow network, resulting in slow cloud service provision. Now, configuration-free cross-domain cloud passes. Network provisioning within minutes and application-level assurance. One hub cloud access, ensuring network provision at the speed of the cloud. For e-government network, intensively constructing one network and adopting FlexE-based slicing to achieve one network for multiple purpose and accelerate integration of private networks. One e-government network for multiple purpose, achieving a unified buyer for various private network services, such as civil affairs, finance, and video conferencing services. In past, there are many private networks and information silos, more than 30 private networks, resulting in repeated construction, in need of isolating security-sensitive service such as finance. Now, in the creation of private networks, one network for all services. When a government network serving as the unified buyer, secure the resolution of security-sensitive services such as finance. Now, let me introduce Huawei's leading slicing technologies, slice-based hard resolution, guaranteeing bandwidth and latency, more than 1,000 slices, ensuring refined service management, MBPS live slice granularity with no wasted bandwidth resources. The last is a government network security. Cloud network security integration enables joint provision and control, creating a comprehensive security protection system, including big data security, sandbox, network and security controller, and identity and terminal controller, ensure the security of the government network. It has three advantages. First is accuracy. Intelligent analysis, accurate threat locating, and threat detection rate improved from 60% to 96%. Second, first, dynamic detection and real-time threat awareness. Detection duration of stealthy and hidden attacks improved from days to minutes. The third, stable. Global defense, near-source threat blocking, threat handling time improved from days to seconds. Okay, that's all about the e-government cloud network today. Thank you for listening to my presentation. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Shun Rui. On the next topic, let's welcome Mr. King Cui, Chief Architect of Huawei's Global Financial Services Business Unit, to shed light on how Financial Cloud Network builds a stable and agile connectivity foundation for financial infrastructure.
Hello, and welcome to our global live stream of Huawei Connect 2021. I'm King Cui, Chief Architect from Huawei Enterprise Business Group. Today is my honor to give a speech with the theme of Financial Cloud Network, laying a connectivity cornerstone for intelligent finance. I will share the latest concept and success architecture of Huawei Intelligent Financial Cloud Network solution. With the development of fintech, the bank service are shifting to contactless service and shifting online. More and more banks are adopting online services. Using China, for example, in 2020, over 90% off-counter bank transaction and over 90% with a credit card online service and over 370 billion contactless bank transaction. So you can see the bank require stable and agile new online service, not only to maintain the high quality and quick response, but also need to improve the user experience. Traditional finance networks are gradually evolving to support new financial services, such as digital payment and internet finance services. The business volume is becoming larger and bigger, and with micropayments are more frequent. Currently, the bank most in stable mode. But the future-oriented financial service need to be sensitive. The two conflict, how we can resolve that? Technology is the way to resolve the conflict between those and achieve the steady state. Huawei, with the network solution, we have a 3 stable network and 3 faster network adopting. Which 3 stable network is stable connections, stable operation and management, and stable protection. 3 fast with faster application rollout, fast branch migration, and fast cloud network scheduling. Those is a major for the future bank technology they require. Many finance enterprises are building clouds. We have visited many customers and found the way they have no concept of the network or even have no requirement for the networks. It's a big mistake to say that the network can be connected. Just using power, for example, it is possible to deliver electricity to thousands of homes without a strong, reliable, and stable power grid. So, same for the network. We need to providing how to using the new technology, leverage simulation, leverage automation, leverage about the cloud mapping with the AI algorithm into the infrastructure architecture. Stable network. Huawei Finance Cloud Network overcome the packet loss problem of internet over 40 years and achieves 0 packet loss at 100% throughput on the network, doubling the computing power. We're using the iLog-less DCI algorithm between 2 data centers between 70 kilometers in 1 millisecond. And those is in successful commercial use in financial industry. Stable operation and management. How we increase the fault prediction rate and how to, within the 1 minute alarm, 3 minutes, define the root cause, 5 minutes to fix the issues. How? It's based on a large number of knowledge assist and 10 of a million of data sample accurate over 30 years of operation and management experience. Huawei use a big data mining and modeling to identify relationships between the network objects and fault splitting rules. It identify 90% potential risk. Based on the knowledge graphic compatibility, Huawei solution transformed from passive to proactive mode. The operation and management improved the automatic closed loop from the risk awareness to recover and ensure 24/7 online services. Stable protection. Huawei Zero Trust Financial Security Solution. Accurate, fast, and stable, not only support the continuing and multi-dimensional verification, but also implement comprehensive trust evaluation and detection for device, user, networks, and application. In addition, refined and dynamic authentication can be implemented to authenticate application, services, and data preventing access with the user and employee. Fast rollout with application. This is an urgent need for the network that can be efficiently interwork with the cloud and quickly deploy. How we can do is make sure that we give you the automation recommendation and then with the configuration with automatically generate. How we in efficiency, manual design, and manual review are avoid. In addition to ensure the correctness and deliverable for the configuration, pre-event simulation, and post-event verification are performed to ensure the correctness and availability of network functions. Autonomy, end-to-end intelligent network algorithm, and second-level financial service provisioning can be implemented. Fast branch access to cloud. Huawei is a major contributor to SRv6 standards, contributing more than 59% of standards. In addition, Huawei SRv6 has been put into commercial use in more than 100 sites around the world and has mutual deployment capabilities. With SRv6, configuration change only need to be made at the head and tail ends. All the users between intermediary nodes are unaware of the order change, and it can be within the cost branches, and region service can be provisioned within a minute. Huawei went fast WAN solution with scheduling. Using the SRv6 policy technology, the controller intelligently adjusts routes and select routes to automatically avoid business rules, ensure services bandwidth and latency. In this way, the overall balance of network bandwidth, latency, reliability, and construction cost is achieved, and network-wide resource utilization is improved. Let me share GSB government saving bank in Thailand case.
ออมสินคือสถาบันมากกว่าเป็นแค่สถาบันการเงินเราเป็นหน่วยหนึ่งซึ่งเป็นหน่วยที่สำคัญในการสร้างความมั่นคงทางด้านการเงินให้กับประเทศโดยผ่านทางด้านการออมนั่นคือภารกิจหลักของธนาคารออมสินเราต้องหาพาร์ทเนอร์หรือคู่ค้าที่มีความเชี่ยวชาญในแต่ละด้านมาเป็นส่วนหนึ่งของการให้บริการของเรา Huawei เป็นบริษัทที่มีเทคโนโลยีที่ก้าวหน้าและก็มีความพร้อมในการให้บริการกับลูกค้าของคนไทยอย่างเต็มที่ธนาคารออมสินมีสาขาทั้งหมด 1,060 สาขาทั่วประเทศเรามีความต้องการของข้อมูลที่ไปถึงสาขามากขึ้นเรื่อยๆทุกวันเพราะฉะนั้นเองเราจะทำอย่างไรที่จะให้สาขาหรือการเชื่อมโยงโดยที่ระยะทางต่างๆเนี่ยไม่เป็นอุปสรรคนั่นก็คือเราต้องมีทางด้านเทคโนโลยีในการเชื่อมโยงไปยังสาขาให้เหมือนกับว่าเขานั่งทำงานอยู่ที่สำนักงานใหญ่ทุกประการเราถึงมองถึง SD-WAN ของ Huawei ที่จะวางรากฐานของเครือข่ายสื่อสารที่แข็งแรงเราเอาความแข็งแรงก่อนแล้วสามารถต่อยอดในเรื่องต่างๆไม่ว่าเทคโนโลยีจะมาในแง่มุมไหนก็ตามเราสามารถที่จะติดตามได้อย่างรวดเร็วนั่นคือความสำคัญครับธนาคารออมสินเลือกใช้บริการ SD-WAN ของ Huawei ที่จะสามารถให้เราเชื่อมโยงสาขาต่างๆโดยที่สามารถส่งผ่านข้อมูลไปมาระหว่างสาขาต่างๆของธนาคารทั่วประเทศได้อย่างสมบูรณ์ครับ
In conclusion, Huawei Finance Cloud Network Solution can help financial enterprise accelerate digital transformation and enable smart finance. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. King Cui. Next, let's invite Mr. Liu Han, Senior Solution Architect of Huawei's Data Communications CTO office, to share how Education Cloud Network powers a digital and intelligent campus.
Thank you for joining me in this session on Education Cloud Network to power digital and intelligent campus. My name is Liu Han. I'm Senior Solution Architect of Data Communication CTO Office. It's my honor to discuss with you through our Intelligent Cloud Network solution. Innovative ICT is driving the future of education. From innovative ICT, we are able to move into a smarter environment where the campus is. And that entails and supports smart education. Innovative ICT entails, for example, cloud computing for enriching teaching resources, big data analytics for personalized learning. The Internet of Things help to build a smarter classroom for interactive teaching. Software-defined networking provides more automated and efficient network operation and maintenance platform. Smart environment includes cloud, campus, classroom, and terminal. That moves into a smart education as we said to be very favorable towards efficient learning when it comes to teaching. But most importantly, to nurture, to provide, and to develop the creativity and the intelligence of our students as they attend class. The intelligent campus network for higher education requirements are shown here. It entails 4 cornerstones with this foundation: smart teaching, research and sharing, services platform, and manageability. Online teaching, for example, immersive teaching and ubiquitous learning. core capabilities of an on-campus and off-campus blend, high-performance computing, artificial intelligence, and big data analytics to infuse further in research and information sharing towards a holistic view on campus management, not just from device to device, very linear, almost from the inside out as well as the outside in, and towards a new service delivery capability. In Australia, where we worked with one of their renowned universities, we've been able to support the redefining of teaching. For example, digitalizing curriculum. This particular university has many campuses, hundreds of miles apart. That means professors and teachers have to travel to their lessons from its building to its classroom in other districts. By digitalizing curriculum and bringing this into an online platform, teachers can log on to this platform, retrieve the curriculum in class as they are. This curriculum can also be distributed throughout the university campuses that are dispersed and that are dislocated from each other. And it supports ubiquitous learning, and that supports interactive and intuitive teaching and learning. The bottom layer of this is robustness in the connectivity. It supports to sit anywhere, use any devices of any choice across time zones and across locations. Robust connectivity supports the redefining of teaching in Australia. Here, we are going to South Africa, where AI assists the transformation of network management. It becomes an intelligent network management availability. In this particular example, physical campuses and buildings dispersed miles apart, where the IT management team and system administrator in the past had to physically travel and commute from each building, its classroom, its IT room in different locations. For problem solving, troubleshooting, network management and upgrades, configurations, etc. With an intelligent network management, the management ability becomes centralized. The troubleshooting can be assisted via AI. It means we can learn from configurations in the past that help optimize network services. It becomes a repository of solutions. It becomes a library of network management opportunities. Next, we are going from South Africa to Malaysia. Let's explore how education has developed in Malaysia.
UiTM, as one of Malaysia's largest universities, can be a hub for development of innovative solutions and local talent to drive digital transformation in Malaysia. UiTM's strategic initiative in providing quality education, attaining global excellence, and inculcating value-driven performance depend greatly on ICT-driven system and infrastructure. Connection and ODL became the buzzword, and the need to find innovative solutions to deal with a world of a new norm was urgent.
Three characteristics I like to highlight when it comes to the campus network. The first one is sit where you like, use device of your choice. That means mobility. It's supported by all wireless, ultra-high-speed foundation. So the augmented reality and virtual reality-based immersed teaching methods can be introduced. The all-wireless campus supports access anytime, anywhere, mobile access to uniform the experience across devices regardless of location. Fully integrated IT services support infrastructure or IT as a service. Or we can say IT as a solution. The IT management team maintains itself as a cost center, but really can become a profit center. That is allowing business to be enabled, and it allows universities to expand across team and devices as well. So they become a part of the operational business transformation and are not considered as a cost factor anymore. Software-defined network, in this particular case, supports the automation of AI assistant management and creates a fully automated management platform. Fully automated management means lifecycle management, from network planning to network deployment to daily operation maintenance and network optimization. The intelligent cloud network powers the digital and intelligent education campus. This diagram shows the logical architecture for education cloud network. The architecture can be divided by 3 layers. The one-stop management platform with northbound application interface, the robust underlay and overlay network, wired and wireless and IoT convergence access. There's a management platform that brings this all together and visualize that, almost like a brain and a nervous system. For network and campus management in this particular case, it's called iMaster NCE. It supports in the cycle from planning, deployment, management to optimization throughout the different layers that networks and infrastructures entail. For the network infrastructure, the underlay network provides ultra-high, non-blocking, and a robust network. And the overlay network provides the possibility of deploying various services at the same physical network via VXLAN technology. And all wireless campus supports seamless access. Teachers and students can teach and learn at any time and anywhere via flexible access. Massive IoT sensors also can get access after smart identifying and obtaining policies. All wireless offloads traffic from the mobile network, creating a wireless environment that allows people to sit where they like, use a device of their choice as they learn and as they move around the campus. Indoor high-density access is for education scenarios that can cover in smart classrooms, large auditoriums, but also on the perimeter side, the outside tracks, or stadium. Smart management supports to digital version and the digitalization of library and the labs. You can go physically to a library and a lab. You can add additional tutors, students, but also support service from the digital version of these libraries. And then it supports the on-campus vendors like coffee corners, bookstores, kiosks, etc. to also support them in their digital journey. It means that different organizations that already are on campus, even though they are not part of the educational environment, can be integrated and can be embraced and supported in their digital journey as well. So we must recognize the scenarios first and design and deploy a dedicated wireless solutions and policy for different scenarios. That is, one scenario, one policy. Mobility is provided by wireless access, 5G-enabled Wi-Fi 6. In the existing environments, for example, as we could see at Mondragon University in Spain, their existing wireless infrastructure did not really support mobility. Mobility means roaming and handover across and throughout campus with device agnostic and location agnostic. Many blind spots, a lot of interference, and many offline-online drops. That means disconnect. What we like to have is no blind spots. We like to have a full, continuous coverage and seamless roaming. Huawei Wi-Fi 6 technology with smart antennas for higher speed and lower interference. Exclusive roaming algorithm for a more seamless and always-on availability network in an all-wireless environment. We've always found traditional Wi-Fi 5 networks to be less stable than their 4G counterparts. Wi-Fi frequency bands are public and prone to interference, and network throughput decreases sharply due to conflicts between devices as the number of the user increases. The frequency reuse technology used by Wi-Fi 6 greatly reduces frequency interference, while the OFDMA and multi-user MIMO technologies improve network efficiency and capacity. Huawei is the only Wi-Fi 6 vendor in the industry that supports simultaneous working of multi-user MIMO and OFDMA. As a result, the number of access users increases by 40% compared with the industry average. Huawei Wi-Fi 6 uses unique smart radio and intelligent application acceleration technology to reduce the network latency to less than 10 milliseconds, which is 50% lower than the industry average. This ultra-low latency meets the requirements of latency-sensitive services. One network integrates multiple services from different systems, not breaking down the different silos, but overlaying these different silos. Let them work together with unified management, looking at these networks as pillars of a new foundations. not a silo by itself. So with Xi'an Jiaotong University in China, we're able to support this. We're able to create an overlay service that makes all these different silos work as a one and creates one network. And that integrates the different systems. That brings us to the automation of network management, operation and maintenance. Software-defined networking, in this case, improves the efficiency of rollout of different services. Once this network foundation has been layered and has been built up, it supports full network automation, bring different application deliveries to students, to teachers, back-end information system, easier and more intuitive. The software-defined networking and configuration helps with simulations. So we can test where a certain application or configuration really works and lives up to the expectation. And if not, it's easier for rollback. And the key, one key deployment means a single click. And then there's a wizard that goes through the network, activates all new services as we go along. Full network automation supports faulty prediction. AI engines help with understanding where the heavy load in the network sits, where the breaches of the network are, and where the weak spots in the network are, in order to inform the IT management team and for the IT management team to become more proactive. That can be done with a smart way of optimizing and integrating all these services. It reduces the rate of complaints. It means that the user experience goes up. The value of such a network becomes stronger, and the risks get lower. The lower the risk, the higher the value is an economic principle, but it's also a network principle. That brings me to the last section. Our cloud-enabled smart campus solutions are available and rolled out throughout the world in more than 70 countries and territories, in more than 2,600 universities and institutions, and more than 32 of the QS 100.
As partners, we agree to recognize our reciprocal capacity to tap on our respective expertise and strengths to achieve the following objective. We know that we can leverage Huawei's smart campus technology to develop an intelligent campus which consists of cutting-edge digital infrastructure and cybersecurity solutions facilitated through smart classroom and virtual desktop infrastructure. This smart campus initiative would make it possible for UiTM campuses throughout the whole nation to be equipped and ready for the future.
More and more universities are supported and are infused with a smart campus solution from Huawei. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Liu Han. Well, that brings us to the end of today's activity. We'd like to say thanks again to speakers for their wonderful speeches and also to our audience for active participation. See you next time.